updating on my hedges. They're growing. They're growing pretty tall. Oh, I got these boxes I gotta deal with. This spot is probably going to be barren. I'll probably have to put something there for decoration. But they're dealing, and I see how the wind make the leaves blow over here. So I gotta get this up tomorrow. I heard myself last week, and I just want to rest until it feels a little more better before I come out here and start taking care of these and getting these to the dumpster. This is going to be heavy. And then I have to trim that down. And my little tree back there is a persistent, it's growing back. And then I gotta cut those branches there. They've gotten longer, so I can pull them down and cut them. But this is my update on my hedges. They're growing back. They're just so cute. They've got those little baby. See the little baby leaves? They're just little baby hedges. Sometimes trimming your hedges straight to the ground, they grow back stronger and prettier. Especially if they have that leaf mold or the leaf rot. But this is my hedges. These sticks ain't got nothing growing on them. I might pull those out because there's nothing on them. I might cut them, but it might kill the whole thing. So I just might leave them there for volume, for structure. This one here, I just might leave that there for structure too. And then this I gotta clean it out. I was letting it compost down, but I think it needs to be changed, turned around, flipped over.